Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have yet another video for you guys today about Disney pins. I have a little Disney pin haul for you guys. And I'm excited because we went to Disney the middle of September and it's almost the first week of October. And so I kind of forgot what I bought. So I'm excited because it's like a little surprise for both of us. So first pin is probably my favorite pin that I got on this whole trip. This is a, what is the name of the game? Shoot, you guys, I'm like a really bad pin fan slash Star Wars fan. What is the name of the game that they play? Hold on, I have to look it up. Dejeric. So this is a little limited release Dejeric pin. And I love this because you've got obviously the little game right there, and then a couple of the little guys move so you can, okay, just the one. Oh yeah, no, these two guys move so you can move your little pieces, which I think is so cute. This is a limited release, so there's not an LE number on it or anything like that, but I am so excited. I saw this pin and I just had to grab it because it is such a good one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right on my Star Wars board because that's where it belongs. All right, next up we have this limited edition Lilo and Stitch pin, Stitch as an Alien. I mainly got this because there was just one of them in, I'll have to see what kind of LE this is, but I saw this and there was just one of them left in the Disney pin trading store, and I just wasn't sure how valuable it was because it was kind of off to the side. I was like, maybe it's a super low LE. So I picked it up. This is the Series 1 pin number 3 in this Disney Lilo and Stitch limited edition, I guess, series. And it's Stitch as an Alien. So yeah, I just thought it might be a special pin. It might not be. Either way, that's okay. Next up, oh, I forgot about this one. Okay, so this is also a limited edition pin, and I picked up the matching one that says First Order. So I'll show you guys the pin on the card. It says resist and has the rebellion symbol, or the resistance symbol. And then here we have Rey with her lightsaber, and then it slides through and the other side and Chewie comes out. So I thought this was a cute little pin. Got this in Hollywood Studios, and it looks like it's a limited edition of 3,000. And so I'll show you guys the, I just got a new pin board, so forgive me how big this is. Oh, it's not filled up quite yet. But there is the First Order pin that matches it, which has Kylo Ren and then a TIE Fighter on the other side of it. So going to, I believe there's also one more pin in this kind of slider collection that has some droids on it, I believe. But I wasn't as fond of that pin, so I didn't grab that one. Awesome. So now I've got Rey and Kylo next to each other right where they belong. All right, next pin. I'm going to actually pull these out because I have some little collections in here from mystery boxes. So first I'll go through my other First Order Star Wars ones. Okay, so I have a couple more of the, I already have 2 of these and I have a couple more. So these are the First Order propaganda poster pins. So I got this guy, which is cool. It says enlist and it has a stormtrooper helmet. I got the vertical one, or horizontal one, sorry, which I did want the horizontal ones because I already have a couple of the vertical ones. And then I have a duplicate of this one. So if you're interested in selling or buying or trading this one, I have a duplicate. Reach out to me on Instagram at hollylollyco if you are in need of that pin. And then I also have this vertical join First Order as well. This is also a duplicate for me, so again, reach out to me on Instagram if you would like to buy or trade for that pin. Next up, I opened the new Fantasyland box and I got 2 pins that I already have. So both of these will be for either sell or for trade. First, I have this really cute one of Mrs. Potts and Chip in Belle's Village. Super duper cute little Beauty and the Beast pin. But like I said, I already have this one, so there's no reason for me to keep it. Then I have this really cute Lumiere pin. Once again, a duplicate for me, unfortunately, but that is okay. So one of you guys can have him. Then I got 2 uniques. This is the one that I really wanted. This is the one with the 3 maidens that follow Gaston around like little puppies. I love these characters. I'm not really 100% sure why I love them so much, but I do. So I'm really happy to have them on a pin because I just think that they're really cute. Then I also have LeFou in front of the fountain that is in New Fantasyland of Gaston and LeFou, right in front of Gaston's Tavern. Also a really cute little pin, and it's a unique, so I will be keeping him as well. Then I have a couple of Hocus Pocus pins. So I have actually 3 of this pin. So all 3 of these will be for sale or for trade. So reach out to me on Instagram if you need these guys. These are the little tarot cards that came in the limited edition Hocus Pocus Villains Spectacular Mystery Box. Super cute little pin, especially if you're into tarot cards and everything. So cute one there. I also have this little guy. He will also be for sale or for trade. It's like a little skull with wings. Just another little one that came as an option in the Hocus Pocus box. I have a little Thackeray Binks. I will be keeping this little guy. He is so super cute. Love him. Then I have Sarah, and I am looking for the matching Mary and Winifred ones. I would love to trade for them. So again, reach out to me if you have any of these pins and you would like to trade for some. I can send you my full trader selection. So there is Sarah. And then lastly, I have this little threesome of Mary, Winnie, and Sarah all together. And I really like this pin a lot. So yeah, I like the little stylization of them. I think it looks pretty cute. And those are all the pins that I got in Disney World. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not nearly as big of a pin haul as I've done the past couple Disney trips, but that's okay because honestly, I do need to rein it in a little bit. I've gone a little crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below. I have videos coming every single day in October, so make sure you do subscribe. There will be a giveaway at the end of the month, so make sure that you stay tuned so that you can enter that. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!